gotta get into this look. What's she popping? Makeup babes, what's good? It is your girl Lisa Rose, aka the Makeup Baby, and I am back with another video. Thank you so much for joining me today. So just a couple of reminders before we get into this makeup look, all right? This no fuss work makeup look, okay? Couple of points. Number one, make sure that you're subscribed to the family, okay? I mean, what can I say? All right? Now, mind you, I might not be on here every day, once a week, once a month. You gotta know what I'm doing when I'm doing it. So you gotta subscribe, and you also have to click that notification bell. It's the first thing you need to do. Join the family. What up, what up, what up? To all my faithful subscribers that have been rocking with me, your girl is she getting back into the swing of things, okay? So I thank you so much for rocking with your girl. I really do appreciate it. So whenever I'm not on the tube, okay, you're gonna be able to find me on all of my other social media platforms. So that is your Instagram, your Twitter, your Facebook, your Snapchat. All right, you can find me. All the links will be below in the description box. So when I'm not here, y'all, come check me out over there. I'm telling you, okay? All my little social media is popping. Please make sure that you are commenting, liking, sharing this video with your friends, your family, and your coworkers, okay? So my question to you guys as you watch this video is, what are some of your get ready for work quick tips when it comes to makeup? Okay, go ahead and leave those comments down there below. Let's start this dialogue. Let's help our sisters out. And that's all there is to it. Okay, so without further ado, okay, so basically what this look is just concealer, powder, and just a very minimal eye, nice structured brows. That's kind of what we're going for today. When I wear makeup, this is more than likely the routine that I do to go to work. Okay, I'm doing this video with the new camera, lighting, just to make my videos a little bit more professional for you guys, a little bit more appealing. This doesn't really look too bad. I mean, regardless, it's going out there. Okay, it's gonna go out there, okay? So my face is already moisturized, not necessarily primed. I'm not gonna prime my face. Start off with this MAC strobe cream. This is in their like pink tint type situation. It's welcome, baby. I usually do the skin first, because what I like to do is I like my concealer to kind of sit on my face, to kind of set, just to make sure that I have that longevity, that coverage that I need. Again, it's not about products, but I have two drugstore concealers that I typically use. Whatever concealers that you guys have, but it has to be like your skin tone, okay? And so basically I'm just gonna go in and I'm going to push the product up like this, and I'm going to dab it in the areas that I want to conceal. I don't conceal every blemish. I really don't. The redness around my nose, I like to get this. Alright, and then I will take this under my eye. It's welcome, baby. Now, even in person, like this product, it looks a lot browner than I am. You see kind of how it's a little bit darker than me. Once I blend it in and I set everything with my powder, it's welcome, baby. Okay, so that's basically just the areas for me that I need. Well, I'll do this right here on top of my lip, since my lip is kind of. And I'm going to start patting the concealer, and then I brush out the outer edges. Like I will circular motion the outer edges. And then I take whatever's left over on my brush and spread it to other parts of my face. This is precisely my brow, which really is pretty good. And so with brows, and my brows are not done, I start with the tail. Like light, feathery strokes, okay? So I will start like midway through the brow before you get to the tail, and then I will brush the product through. Okay. Highlight under my brow. That's a lot lighter, right? Okay. I'm gonna take this. All right, and then I'm actually going to just a little bit here. I try to work in sections so that things kind of have time to set. All right. One of the tricks that is tried and true as far as concealer coverage and longevity is to allow your concealer to kind of set a little bit before you actually go in and start to manipulate the product. Allowing it to set partially before you start blending the product in will allow you to have the coverage that you need, right? And allow you to move the product, but it gives you very limited movement. It's welcome, baby. Now you want to take a brush like this. I think the key, to carving out the structure in your brow is knowing where the height of the arch should be defined. I think that's key. Then I like to go in and I like to set everything. So the powder that I like to use is this translucent powder from Laura Mercier, and it's like into the cap like this, and then I just press my brush in like this. Is how I pick up the product, and then I tap it off, okay? And then I just go in. Now this is what I do. My translucent Laura Mercier powder, and I took another fluffy synthetic brush to pick this powder up, and I pressed it into the areas of the concealer that I put on my face to set those areas as well. And so now I'm getting ready to go in with my face powder, and I'm just using Black Opal in 400 medium, okay? And I'm gonna pick a fluffy brush like this, okay? And I'm just going to, and then I go in and I start pressing it really in all the other areas of my face, the jawline where we really don't have a lot of cream product. On how I feel, I will either just take a darker tone powder and I will sculpt my face, and I would just use this instead of a blush. It just depends on how I'm feeling, okay? Or I will go in with the blush and not even use this to kind of create the extra dimension into the face, okay? This is just me personally. Then what I do is I just go in with a blush, and this is the OG, this is MAC Raisin, okay? And I just dab my brush in there. It's welcome, baby. If you want to add more color, but you don't have to because there's enough color on here. You lightly tap it in and then you buff it again, okay? That's all you really have to do. See how it just, you understand what I'm saying? It just gives this nice warmth to the face. It gives it a nice, I mean, it just looks natural. Want some glow? Okay, then you take your little highlighting powder, whatever highlighting powder that you have. I like to use brushes that are kind of shaped like this, something maybe a little bit smaller.
It's welcome, baby.
And I always use 2 different mascaras, so I feather up. I feather up first, then I go to the base and I wiggle.
It's welcome, baby.
Right, and then I take it on the top and I roll it out. Roll it out. All right, and so now I have nice pretty long lashes. And then I like to kind of wing my liner sometimes, so I just have this liquid liner by NYX. That is the type of liner that I prefer. These eyes are very different. I have more skin that folds on this side than this side, so my wings never come out perfect. They never come out perfect. They never come out even. So today I'm just gonna go in with this. This is ColourPop by, this is Hello Kitty. This is ColourPop times Hello Kitty. I don't know what the color is, but hopefully I'll have it in the description bar below for you. And I'm just gonna put this on like this.
It's welcome, baby.
All right, makeup babes, that is it for this look. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I hope I was able to drop some gems on you all again in this video. Some real quick tips on makeup application and longevity, even for a lightweight makeup look. Thank you so much for rocking with your girl, okay? For rocking with the best. All right, and until next time, makeup babes, it was a pleasure. I'll see you all again, all right? Y'all gotta get into this look. What's she popping?